discuss setter injection with collection examples. Here, these are all collections. List set map. Okay, first we are going to collection with examples. Okay, first we are going to see a question application XML and test class. First what class? Here using list. First we are going to explain list class. We are going to create a question into ID, string name and answers. Same way I am also going to create same already question class is there. See here map is there. Okay, what I am going to do, first I am going to comment these all are okay. Now questions, control shift slash. See here no errors. Okay, what I am going to give here, I am going to use this is also I am going to comment. Okay, what I am going to use, I am going to create a variable private. Okay, list. Okay, answers. Okay, what I am going to just enter. Okay, now we are completed. We are going to implement string. Okay, now we are completed. Just go and check string answers. Now right click source. Okay, just generate setter and getters. Select all, click OK. Now see here it generated all setter and getters. Okay, just I am going to use display iterator as a next. Okay, just I am going to copy this code. Okay, otherwise we can write it. Okay, instead of writing, just I am going to display. Okay, otherwise I will write it void method info. Okay, display information. Info. Okay, SYSOU sys out ID and name. Okay, ID plus name. Okay, same way I am going to use answers or again sys out or. Okay, save it. Now using answers iterator method. Iterator. Okay, using reference. Control enter. Answers dot here iterator. Here iterator list. Iterator. Okay, use iterator method. Iterator, sorry, iterator. Okay, now iterator again, variable iterator equal to use of while, okay, iterator as next, iterator as next, and iterator next. It's why it's next. Now we are completed this class. Okay, question class. Just I am going to configure question class in application.xml first. Okay, I am going to configure just what I am going to use. Bean. Okay, otherwise name, question, class, question, where is it? QUESTION, question. Okay, same way. Question class properties, ID, name, answers, ID, name, answers, properties, property, ID, value, value 10, property, name, value, SRISCIS, Rishala, close property, again, property, A, answers, list, value Java is object oriented concept. Now I'm going to see how we are configure what are details given. Okay, these all are details given values isolated. Now same values I'm going to give pause here. Okay, this is wrong. Here braces is missing, open braces. Now here it is okay. Now it is okay. Now I am going to call question class. Okay, just go here, test, call question. We have to use here question. We use STI question. We use STI question. Okay, here display. What method it will show? Employee display info. Okay, now I am going to right click run Java application. Okay. Save application, just open. Okay, now see ID Srisailam 10 answers. This way, first example we are completed setter injection with collection. Collection first is list example we completed. Next example we will see setter injection. Okay, next video we going to discuss setter injection.